Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. Today we are diving into the fun projects, building an image viewer applications using Python and Tkinter. Whether you have a collections of stunning photos or just wanted to explore images on your computer, this app is perfect for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into the coding, let's briefly discuss what an image viewer is. An image viewer allows users to open and display images in various formats. It's a handy tool for anyone who works with photos or graphics. Plus, it's a great project to enhance your Python skills. Now that we understand the concept, let's dive into the coding. Before we proceed with the code, I wanted to show you result and then we will understand how we build this project from scratch. When I will run this code, I will have the image viewer interface available where I can either click on quit or open an images. I'm having few of the images available like this, where I will open this and see this image is generated, where recently we have completed 2.5 million views, which is this image. If we want, even we can change it. So when I will click on open another image, I will have next image available, which we can see it on my screen. And whenever I click on quit, this image or this window will be closed. So this is how we have the solutions available. Let's understand how we have created the applications using Python and Tkinter library. To start with this, open your favorite code editor. I'm using PyCharm and create a new Python file. Click on new and you will see Python file. Add the file name .py and your editor will open a new interface where you can have the blank sheet to start the coding. I've already created the code. That's easy. Creating a new one. If you haven't installed the library yet, don't worry. I will give you a link in descriptions which will help you to do your complete configurations. After that, we have to install pillow library. For installing that, add pip install pillow and that is done. So this library help us to handle image file easily. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries and setting up our main applications window. Here you can see import Tkinter is my first library which I decided to import it. After that, I'm using PIL import which is pillow library. After that, I've created a class image viewer. So this class holds all the informations required for this code. After that, here I'm providing the title and the size of the window where my image holds. So it imports Tkinter for the GUI and PIL for image handling. In our image viewer class, we initialize the main window and set its title and size. Next, let's create a label to display the image and buttons to open an image and quit the application. So here we can see we have created a label master and the path. Along with that, here I'm creating two buttons. One for opening of images and second is for quitting. So here you can see the text command, what commands it will use. We'll use this functions we have created at the bottom, both the functions and accordingly it will add. In this case, open image files for viewing the image having format .jpg, jpeg, .png and .gif. All the files which we have that will open. So we set up a label for the image display and open image button and load image and a quit button to exit the RAM. Now let's add the functionalities to open image file and display it, where you can see this is the functionality we have added here. Here we are providing the path which we select. Title, select an image. File types, these are the file types. And it should display all files. If file path image does not have any image, then also we are giving width, where it will display the image when we'll select, and the path is open, resize into 800 to 600 because that's the length we are providing. But if you want, even you can increase those number. And finally, the config file will have a photo available into the window. In the label image cell photo gives a reference of avoiding garbage collection. That's the reason we are adding here. Here, this is a resizing of images. If image size is big, then also it will switch into this window. It will select display image to show the images in the label. We'll also resize this image to fit our window. That's it. And now we are finally giving the main functions to open the Tkinter window. Let's wrap it up by creating the main functions and running our applications if name and main, where we have image viewer root and root.main loop. This part initializes our Tkinter applications and start the main event loop. Now let's run it again and see the final result, where we have to just click on image viewer and we will get this information. We'll open the same image again and it will adjust into the window. So that's how our computer will show up the images and adjust into the frame. And there we have it. A simple yet functional image viewer applications. But what if we wanted to take it further? Imagine adding features like next, previous button to navigate through a folder of images, or even zooming in and out, because that's the functionality of any image viewer. This is the basic part where we have created. If you want, you can even upgrade it. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts. What features would you like to see in this app? Let me know in the comments below. So here is the fun questions again for you. What is your favorite type of images to view? Photography, illustrations, or something else? Share your thoughts and let's start a conversations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and remember, every image has a story to tell. Thank you for watching.